If you are doing this chin tuck exercise to improve your forward head posture, and please stop right now and I will show you a much simpler and more effective retraining exercise to improve your forward head posture. If you want to learn how to retrain your body and then movement safely and then effectively and then move better, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every week. I am Taro Iwamoto. I am a Feldenkrais practitioner. With my backgrounds in athletic training, physical therapy, martial arts, and the Feldenkrais method, I have helped many people like you overcome and then move beyond the pain and the limitations. Now it's your turn, and let's dive in. So this chin tuck exercise is given to many people with the forward head posture, right? The idea is to strengthen the deep neck flexor muscles and to reduce that forward head posture. But there's a problem with that. And the chin tuck, you think, is about retracting the head and tucking your chin, bringing your chin towards your throat. However, so to improve your forward head posture, you really need to look at two things. Very simple, right? So sitting in a chair, how you position your pelvis, that's the most important thing first, right? If you are sitting with the pelvis posteriorly tilted, and in that position, that brings your spine back, and then that causes the head to come forward, right? So it has to start from the pelvis first. Repositioning the pelvis, so finding a neutral pelvis, not overly arching, but sitting. If you bring attention to your sit bones, you sit directly over your sit bones. So it's more neutral, right? And then that itself, and it changes that posture quite a bit. And then the second thing, look at your sternum. Orientation of the sternum, right? So you may be neutral with your pelvis. However, you may be slightly flexed through your chest, thoracic spine. So you look at the orientation of your sternum. Slightly flexed. So think about lifting your sternum a little bit, and which will bring your head more in line with your torso, with your spine, right? Because as long as your thoracic spine is flexed, which will move the head, because the head is in continuation with the spine. So wherever the spine goes, the head follows, has no control. So that's why I said stop doing the chin tuck, because the chin tuck will come naturally as you are repositioning and reorganizing your sternum. So bringing your sternum, lifting your sternum up a little bit, and then which will bring the head back. Now you look straight ahead, then there you have the chin tuck. So naturally, the chin will come down, and then the head will reset right over the spine as you are repositioning your pelvis and your sternum. That's it, very simple, right? If you want to improve your back pain, be sure to grab your free movement guide to pain-free back at the link below. Check out these videos. And if you like this video, and hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe and share with your friends. Comment below how helpful you found this video was. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Happy mindful movement. Bye-bye.